Namaste. Now today we are going to do the core workout. So first we will start with the warm up. So first few rounds of the jumping jacks we will start with. If you can do it a little fast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, release, relax. 10 seconds, foot fires, both the feet hip width apart, fingers wide open. Try to tap the foot. 3, 2, 1, go. Release, relax. Do it for one more time. The same foot jumping jacks. Five, 3, 2, 1. All right. Foot fires. Continue from right from here only. 3, 2, 1, go. Release. Relax. Shake your hands, shake your legs. If you need to sip water, come back. All right. Now we are starting with the mobility. We will do cat and cow. So come on your 4 arms. Both the feet are hip width apart. Both the palms shoulder width apart. Shoulder is a straight line. Hip knee straight line. Now inhale, head up, chest up, look up. Exhale down. Continue, inhale up. Exhale down. Do it slowly. Try to engage your core. Tighten your core, go slow. Exhale. Inhale, come up. Exhale down. Well done, keep on. One more round. Inhale up. Exhale down. All right. Now we will start the practice for the core workout. So first we will start with the plank. At least 10-second hold in the plank. So come on your forearms, knees off the mat this time. Stay. Shoulder is straight line, body in a straight line. Stay for 1. Keep breathing. 2, 3. Tighten your thighs, glutes, engage your core. 5, 6. Keep breathing through the nostrils. 7. All right. Release. Come to mountain for a while. Then gently drop your knees down, but off the mat. Beast hold. Stay for 1, 2, 3. Tighten your core. 5, 6. Keep smiling. Keep doing. 7, 8, 9. Release. Relax. Sip water. Come back. Wipe out the sweat. One more round, repeating the same sequence with little more variation. All right. Now come on your forearm, 4 limbs. Come to plank first. Stay. If you are comfortable, left leg an inch off the mat for 1. Stay. 2. Keep breathing. 3. Elbows straight. Both the legs straight. 5. Change the leg. Now right leg an inch off the mat, toes pointing back. 1. Tighten your thighs and glutes. Good form. 5, 6. Exhale, release. Now gently walk your leg forward little. Knees off the mat, stay. Now if you are comfortable, option 1 is stay if you are comfortable. Shoulder tap here only. 1, 2. Try not to move the body. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, jump forward, come to Malasana and relax. Both the legs are apart, toes pointing out, elbows inside the knees, palm at the heart center, chest up, smile and relax. Long inhale and exhale. If you need to drink water, come back, wipe out the sweat. All right. Both the feet are hip width apart, shoulders roll back, chest up. Now press the palm, lift both the leg up. Option 1 is stay. This is the scale down. If you can, leg straight, stay for 1, chest up. Not comfortable, drop the elbows down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep breathing. 7, if you are vibrating, it is okay. You are getting the memory muscles. 8, 9, 10, exhale, release. Try to hug the knees to the chest and stay for a while, shoulders back, chest up. 3, 2, 1. Once more. Both the palm down. This time both the leg forward. Hands up, hollow hold. Stay for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not comfortable. Fold the leg. Palm down. 8, 9, 10. All right. Release. Exhale. Now turn the chest to right side. Legs to the left side. Change the side. Knees to the right. Chest to the left. Change the side. Change the side. Change the side and release. Now one more round with different variation. Lie down at the back. Both the feet forward, palm down. Up and down. If you can, head down. 1, leg up and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you can't, go slow. 8. Not comfortable, fold the leg and do it. 9, 10. All right. Hug the knees to the chest. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1. All right. Roll the spine, sit back, come to Navasana if you can. Hands forward, leg forward. Not comfortable, fold the leg. Knee, heel, straight line. Chest up, fingers facing wider. Fingers are wider. If you can, leg is straight. 1, 5 counts. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hug the knees to the chest. Stay. 1. This is the relaxing position. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay. Both leg forward. Palm down or fingers down. Leg forward. Charlie Chaplin shoes. Stay for 1, 2. Both the toes are facing to the sides. 3, 4, 5. Stay. Hug the knees to the chest. Chest up. 1. Keep breathing. I am counting in my mind. Well done. Come on. Fingers down. Feet wider. Charlie Chaplin, legs wider. Stay for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale down. Release. Relax. Hug the knees to the chest. Roll the spine. Release. Relax. Sip water and come back again. Now we will do a little of cool down. When you are ready, we start. Press both the palm down. Hip down, toes pointing back. Lift the chest up. Cobra. Shoulders back. Exhale, turn the chest to right side. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left side. Inhale, center. Come to child pose. Shashank. Come up. All right. Shake your hands, shoulders. Lock your elbow, left elbow to the right hand. Your nice stretch with the shoulders. Change the side. Change from the back. Catch hold the left elbow with the right palm. Press it to the right side. Change the side. Keep looking forward, chest up, and keep smiling. Release, relax. Shake your hands, shake your legs. Release and relax. Thank you for practicing. Have a nice day ahead. See you next time. Till then, namaste.